Everybody, this is Doc here at Bell Camper Sales. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of the 2023 Rockwood Geo Pro 19 FBS. If you will follow me around, I'll give you a quick tour of some of the neat features this thing has. So we are going to start up front where we have the electric tongue jack. We've got the dual 30-pound LP tanks and our battery box. It will come with a new 12-volt battery. It does come with a solar panel that will trickle charge your battery as well. Got our LED lights. As we come over to the side, we've got storage here with our new magnetic latches. Up here you can see we've got our awning with LED lights underneath our awning. Our front door with the lock combo, our solid step entry step. Right here is our outside kitchen. Comes with a griddle. We've got a quick connect LP down here along with a 110 outlet to plug in your coffee maker or what have you, anything like that. Back here around the back we have got our docking station, our outside shower, our ladder to go up to our walkable roof along with our wired backup camera and a receiver hitch right here if we want to add a rack or something like that. So as we walk into the coach, you can see as we walk in, you've got our control panel right here, then our dinette that makes into a bed, our TV, then right here we have got our control panel for our solar. We do have a solar panel on top of this that will trickle charge your battery. We've also got our wood finished cabinets up here. Then we can go into the bathroom. Nice size shower right here. Then we've got a fan up here that is our fantastic fan. It's a nice upgrade. You can run the fan if it's raining or anything like that. Then we come into our kitchen. We've got our stainless steel sink along with our 3-burner stove and our microwave along with our stainless steel refrigerator. And we go this way and we've got our jackknife sofa along with our Murphy bed right here. So that about does it for the tour of the 2023 Rockwood Geo Pro 19 FDS. Thank you for choosing Bell Camper Sales, where we will get you camping.